Elon Musk once tweeted, "I hope we're not just the biological bootloader for digital superintelligence. Unfortunately, that's increasingly probable." This is actually an old worry. Shortly after Darwin's On Origin of Species came out in 1859, a copy made its way to New Zealand and into the hands of a sheep farmer, a writer named Samuel Butler, who devoured it by text by candlelight. It struck him that if you apply Darwin's principles to machines, that they would evolve to be conscious and to supplant us on this planet. In his 1863 letter entitled Darwin Among the Machines, he seems positively ecstatic about the possibility. Quote, "What sort of creature man's next successor in the supremacy of Earth likely to be? It appears that we ourselves are creating our own successors, the machines. In the course of ages, we will find ourselves to be the inferior race, inferior in power, inferior in that moral quality of self-control. We shall look up to them as the acme of all that the best and wisest man can ever dare to aim at. No evil passions, no jealousy, no avarice, no impure desires will disturb the serene might of these glorious creatures." Unquote. It is tempting to want to engage Butler as to the desirability of this outcome. One might begin by quoting Abraham Lincoln's observation that, quote, "Those who have no vices have very few virtues." A machine with no avarice nor impure desires likely has neither nobility nor compassion either. If you're interested in artificial intelligence, visit gigaom.com or check out my new book, The Fourth Age: Smart Robots, Conscious Computers, and the Future of Humanity.